Can you register a limited company with one director on Companies House? The full truth is you can indeed establish a limited company with one individual in the United Kingdom. If you look at the designated application form, you'll notice that you have to mention at least one member and one director. The vast majority of individuals can create limited companies on United Kingdom soil. However, they simply have to be at least 16 years old. They also cannot be undischarged debtors or disqualified directors. The requirements of limited company establishment go beyond having to mention members and directors. Limited companies have to provide registered office addresses during the incorporation process. PO boxes are not permitted as the address must be tangible. Any mail items from HMRC or any other government bodies will be mailed to that registered office address. When applying to incorporate a limited company, you will need to mention the following: the name of your company, registered office address, member and director information, business operations details, for example SIC codes, influential company representative information. You are allowed to start trading using your newly established business as soon as you incorporate it. You just need to wait to get your incorporation certificate. Be sure to subscribe for the latest tax updates.